Go get it. Hurry, go get it. Oh my heck, I thought it was empty. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are doing our quick everyday mom makeup looks. We have all of our kids, minus 3 of them, behind us. So you are going to see and hear them, but this is
Hashtag mom life.
Yeah, and we
Real
want
life.
to show you guys that we do our makeup routine with kids around us.
All around.
I don't think we're gonna share like every little thing that we're doing and using. I think we're just each gonna do our own daily routine and just throw out like tips and tricks or things that we do throughout our routine. So yeah, so that dries it. Let's get started. I have one right here.
But if you do have questions like what foundation is Shelby using or what mascara is Madi using, just comment below and we'll try to let you know.
Yes.
But yeah, we gotta cover that fast. It's huge.
Okay, let's go. Yep.
Let's say it real fast. Let's tell everyone how many products we're each using.
Oh no. Actually, 1, 2.
This is like
4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
okay, this is like my minimum when I have 5 minutes.
And this is my like basically full face. I would do this for a date night, except for like shadow or something.
I think I only use like 4.
Really?
Mine's 5.
Well,
I don't
I
spend
barely
a lot
use
of
more.
time doing this stuff. I recently just super dumped mine down because I was like, I don't know, I felt like I didn't have time to do my makeup because my makeup routine took too long. So I had to like dumb it down again.
Mine has never taken a long time.
I will say though, like a quick mom tip. I feel like the majority of the time we know when our kids are gonna wake up in the morning. And so if I can make sure I'm awake like 20 minutes before Leo is, minimum, and just take the 5-10 minutes to just like brush my hair and put on like a light face, I feel like my whole day is so much better, don't you think?
Totally. I need to be better about that.
There's a lot of days makeup doesn't happen.
And that's fine. I just think like if you can do something to make yourself feel more put
Brush your teeth
together.
and wash your face.
Yep.
That's what like gets me going. Like, okay, I feel clean and energized.
Well, let's talk about how I always complain that my daughter doesn't have eyebrows. Hello. Look at our mom. When I just said hello, I felt like Grandma Bonnie.
You sounded like her.
Hello.
You know what's the best? The faces that women pull when we do our makeup.
I know.
I just not realized that I was like,
Well, and
Like, sometimes I don't realize how many freckles I have until the makeup's off my face.
yeah.
Hi, kid.
I need to get that new foundation you were talking about.
yeah, that's the foundation and concealer I'm using today is the ones I mentioned in our Insta story on Sunday.
Girlfriend, come here.
Oh no
Well, that's my biggest problem is I'm like
Where's your baby?
my bottom end of all my makeup, so I feel like I'm just not even in my makeup prime right now.
Yeah.
Indy, don't touch.
Don't touch that. Don't touch that.
No, come here.
We have babies trying to make
Where's
cameras.
your baby? Go get Jay.
You guys, our cute brother is here with us today. There's 5 days until he leaves to Ohio for his 2-year mission.
And we are so excited for him.
You know what stinks? You know how when you get sick and your glands in your neck get swollen, so your neck's super swollen? I'm better. I feel 100%, but this one, this gland on the side is still like golf ball, so I feel like my neck is so huge right now.
And it's also one of those things that like no one would notice about you except for yourself.
I
You
know.
know?
Well, just like putting my bronzer on and contouring, I can feel how big it is.
Yeah.
Don't give her the whole thing, baby.
Hey, you want to sit right there and watch us? Sit on the rug. Good girl. McKinley is makeup obsessed.
Which we love very much so.
We love it, huh, Ken? I told her we do her makeup when we're done, and she is just so excited and anxious.
Oh, I should maybe give a little extra love to this poison.
I'm doing like bare minimum right now, you guys. That's bare minimum makeup routine.
Yeah, same.
And I think I obviously do more makeup than my sisters, like day to day, on myself. But I think I'm so fast at it because I do it every day. That I think that's the tip to getting ready fast is just like, find your routine, and you'll get faster and faster at it, you know?
No, and I wish I was more like, I don't know, like, I don't even know what concealer is or what it does. So like,
Conceals.
I wish
I'll
I
teach you, Maddie.
knew more than I do. But yeah, I just do bare minimum, and I feel like I always have just done bare minimum.
That's fine. You
Obviously
always look beautiful.
for big days, Shelby or Kenzie usually do my makeup, so I never use my makeup for
But the
big events.
thing is you always look beautiful, so it doesn't matter.
Guys, a quick mom tip to getting ready quickly. I do this every day. When you're bronzing up your face, I just use that same bronzer for a quick eyeshadow. And I just go lightly in the crease.
I'm like watching her and she's doing it and talking about it.
And then like a little on the bottom. And then that's it. It just like gives your eye a little something, but you're not using an extra product. You're just using the bronzer that you've already used on your face.
It's a good tip.
Oh, this is why you don't wear black during makeup, right?
This is
Sister, go sit by Coey boy.
If you guys don't wear blush, I recommend just trying it. I'm obsessed with blush and I think it just lifts everyone's face, especially us moms that can sometimes look so tired. If you feel like you need a little more color or lift to your face, add a little blush on it.
Ever
Takes
since
10
everyone
seconds.
got sick 2 weeks ago, I feel like I'm a zombie.
I will back up blush. I didn't wear blush forever and I love it now.
Yeah, I love blush.
And I don't know if this is a tip or not. I always get my neck and like
Yes, make
my
sure you
shirt line
blend.
because I don't know. Looking at pictures of me in high school and seeing like the dark line on my chin, I'm like, what was I thinking? Hi, baby.
Oh, here, I'll help
Can you say hi? Say hi to everyone. Say hello.
Oh, beautiful.
Our girls are so into this. My mirror is shaking so much, it's like making me dizzy.
Oh, those
Really?
are
Why is it
nice.
shaking?
Thank
Look.
you.
Do you want to switch?
No, it's okay.
You can get it. Hurry.
But I think like for myself, my staples are I just want like a good face. So like a good foundation with some bronzer and blush. If I want, I put on a tiny bit of highlighter.
See, and I don't even know what that means.
And
Guys.
You start watching Brooklyn Hill, Matt.
Having her as my sibling, you think I would know more.
then just my brows. Because I have eyelash extensions, and even when I don't have my eyelashes done, I don't really care that much about my eyebrows if I have, no, Ken, no.
Whose kid is that?
She's trying to open all of it.
Kid. Hey, go see
I'll
Jenny.
do your
Hurry.
makeup when we're done. Okay?
Go see Jenny.
Oh.
Kenny, come here.
So I think like those are the things that are most important.
My daughter has her own language. I apologize.
But I think those are the things that are most important in my daily routine. So I think just find the things that you feel like make you feel or look put together. So even if you don't have time to do everything, even if you just put like your brows and mascara on and that's it for you.
Which we have figured out today that I have to put brows on because mine are non-existent. That's another thing.
Chocolate
How like
chocolate.
yours are shaped. Yeah. I probably should work on that.
Okay guys, I'm gonna tell you about my one of my absolute favorite products that I use, and I use it every single day of my life. And we need to get her little link, but it's from Kenzie's sister-in-law, Kelly.
Yes.
She has a online Glossier account.
Glossier.
I don't know how to say it. And I bought the boy brow from her, You guys.
I need to get it.
Okay, wait, let me see what it
I
is.
am obsessed. Kenzie, like I got it.
I could remember. I could tell that your brows are different.
I have it in brown. And we were FaceTiming all of us girls one day, and Kenzie goes, Shelby, what'd you do to your eyebrows? They look so good.
I thought you
and
got
then,
them microbladed.
Kelly Moffitt, you're just not hooked me up. So,
Hey, we love you.
it's a brow gel, you guys, but it is tinted. And what I love about it, you guys know I am like loving the big, bushy, thick brow look. And that's what I feel like it does.
Looking awesome.
So real quick, I will just tell you what I do. Give you a quick breakdown.
Yeah.
I have my foundation, slather that all around. My bronzer, which I make like a little free, you know, cheekbones, tops, and my jawline.
No, I don't know that either. Holy crap.
And then for my blush, I actually have like this Wet n Wild illuminating palette. So it has like a couple blush colors and a couple highlight colors. So I kind of swirl that together for my cheeks. So I feel like it gives me blush and highlight. So put that on my cheeks, eyebrows, mascara. Done. Easy peasy.
And that's awesome.
Yeah, I just do foundation. I do my brows, eyeshadow, mascara, and then the powder on top.
Do you contour your cheeks?
No.
And blush, I don't
She
even
doesn't
know
do
what that
brows.
means.
She looks like she's contoured right now.
No, I don't even know what that means.
Well, then you just have good cheekbones.
Thank you.
And then what I did is I put foundation on, and then I used a setting powder, bronzer on my face, foundation, then blush, and then a tiny bit of liquid highlighter, and then put on my brows. Oh, and I put a little bronzer on my eyeshadow. Another thing that I think is like a game changer for being a mom is a quick lip. Like, even if you cannot do anything to your face that day, I have this Sun Bum tinted sunscreen. It's like the medicated one with SPF. And
Sissy, no.
I love it because it's so moisturizing, but it adds just like a little color that even if you have no makeup on and you were just running to carpool, like it's good for your lips because of the SPF and the moisturizing, but it just looks like
Well,
you're put together a little
something I always remember mom saying, and maybe I'm crazy, but tell me if you remember this. I swear my mom always told us, if nothing else, earrings and lip gloss.
Yes.
Like that'll make you look like a completely different person. She always told us that,
There's
right?
never a day that I don't.
So
put
yeah,
makeup
me
on.
too. Always have studs and try to have like the lip gloss. Always. I'm
Well,
like,
just-
if I got those, I'm good. Mom said.
Just helps you feel put together.
Pretty.
And like I said, this is only the makeup I do on normal mom days when we're in a hurry.
No,
Oh, no, no, no.
No, come here.
Come see mom.
So this is just like normal weekdays when
Bye.
I'm running kids to school, football practice, soccer games. But if I am going on a date night, or usually when we have filming days or something, I'll do concealer and eyeshadow and eyeliner and a little bit
Oh
more.
yeah, I did concealer too.
Yeah.
I usually don't. It's usually the same, unless like wedding day. But it's not. It's the same.
One more quick tip with this. Kenzie and I follow this lady named Kelly Jensen on Instagram, which we're both obsessed with and love.
She's the best mom.
And she always has fun mom hacks, but one thing she mentioned is like when she uses a lip balm, like a tinted one on her lips, she'll like also grab it and like dab it and like put it on her cheeks.
Ooh.
And so like if that's the only thing she has in her car and she has to like run into her kid's classroom, she'll put this on her cheeks and her lips and it's like, oh, she got ready, you know? So I love that tip too.
Yep. But we hope you guys enjoyed this. We hope you found it a little bit helpful. I don't know. Makeup isn't the most important thing, but it definitely helps you feel good. Because when you feel good, when you look good, you feel good. It just makes everything a little bit better.
Go get it. Hurry, go get it. Oh my heck, I thought it was empty.
Holy hell.
Can they see that in the camera or should we just hurry and close it?
I don't know. Just hurry and close it before my daughter gets in it.
Okay, but I think that's it. If you guys have any questions about the makeup that we used or any of the techniques, please let us know. It's not fancy, it's all very simple. But we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Oh,
Oh my god, she just spilled the rest of it.
I honestly thought it was an empty cup because he was just playing with it.
It's okay, I didn't want it.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are doing...
I just did this to the camera.
My killer intro.
Okay, go.
But I know some of you have been requesting to see like our quick mom routines. Come here, sweet girl. Like, could that have been more chaotic?